Logos really help us identify any brand or company, especially today when there are literally a number of brands to choose from and we decide to buy a product only from a particular brand or company. Hi, we're shapeNprint and today we're going to talk about some tips for the perfect logo and ways to create an exciting logo for your brand. Before I proceed, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified for more such useful videos. Now, let me provide you information about how an exciting logo could be created in just a few minutes. Since a logo might help the customers in identifying your brand, it must provide an insight into your business to make them customers get reminded of your business as well. Therefore, the task of creating a logo is more entrusted in the hands of graphic designers. But if you know what you want to sell through your logo, it's best to do it your way. This will not only be cost and time effective, but it will also help you stick to the motto and consider only those factors which you feel are significant while designing your logo. Here are 5 things you need to keep in mind while designing your logo. Number 1. What is business all about? If you're thinking of creating a descriptive logo, just go for it. Because most of the times, descriptive logos prove to be more effective than those blank and non-descriptive ones. Now, if you check out the logo of YouTube, the logo clearly states that the company is somewhat related to videos. Similarly, the logo for Burger King is simply the word burger with 2 hamburger buns. Number 2. Simple as it gets. Most of them popular brand logos are very simple yet elegant. For example, in the Apple logo, the logo itself displays the icon for the name of the brand. So, do not make your logo too complicated as it would make it difficult to replicate and understand. It should be as simple to identify and comply with an extent to the ability. Number 3. All colors do not do equally. Although colors are interpreted and communicated more rapidly and efficiently, specific colors do influence sales differently. Let's say food sales influenced by red and yellow color. Now, if you look at the McDonald's logo, the logo isn't descriptive like the Burger King logo, but the colors do stimulate the appetite. And therefore, a lot of food companies use the red and yellow color in their logo. Number 4. Is tagline required? Studies have shown that using a tagline for promoting and advertising is very effective and can boost up sales. So, a slogan can be used to accompany a logo. It could be a 3 to 7 words tagline conveying information about the business and its services, or simply a catchphrase to grab attention. Number 5. A logo can be anything. It's not required for a logo to represent what you do. A simple and elegant design might be effective too. So many logos use the initials of a name, and some of them are just the name of the brand itself, which makes it easier to remember the name of the brand. Some of the logos have hidden meanings which can be understood unless told. It can also be your lucky charm if you believe in superstitions. A logo is the image of a brand. They make the first impression and separate you from the competition. It is a crucial part of creating a long-lasting image and a successful business. Here are some sites for you to design your unique and impressive logo. Number 1. Canva. You can create a logo and design it your way with a number of graphics and templates available on this site. It also provides a pro version and you'll have to pay for the same, but it's worth it. Number 2. shapeNprint. This site works as your virtual assistant and has a wide variety of freelance graphic designers. Also, shapeNprint connects you with almost every nearest print shop and makes sure that your print is delivered within 24 hours. The site provides you a live meeting with graphic designers for perfection. Number 3. Creative Market. You won't find them eye-catching templates and graphics free of cost on the site, but they're worthy of the price for an impressive logo. Number 4. Adobe Stock. Adobe is one of the best places to create an exciting logo. Even though they provide the option for 30 days free trial with 10 free templates, paying a subscription fee is also an option for access to amazing graphics. For assistance, we have mentioned the link in the description as well. Do visit the site. Don't forget to like and share this video. Please share your opinions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.